Hi, my name is Dorothy Scharfenberger. I'm excited to work with your child this year. This is my 19th year teaching at West Claremont, and I have a master's in mathematics, and I'm also the instructional leader for the math department. I love teaching and I love math. I'm blessed to have such a wonderful career as teaching. As you'll see in my slides, I have three children, ages 3, 5, and 1.5. They are my whole world. My husband also works here at the high school teaching social studies, and he's the rock of our family. A little bit about my classes themselves. I wanted to make sure you understood that every lesson I teach is going to have a video available for your child to watch later. So when they go into Schoology here, that's what the page I have up. Sorry, it's running slow. So when they go into Schoology, everybody's Schoology is going to look the same. There's a video on how all of this works in one of the other slides. I just want to focus down here on my specific class. So if you click on any of the weeks, when they come up, they're going to see a blank copy of the notes. I will also give them a copy in class, but if for some reason they're at home, they could just write down their notes on a sheet of paper and they can have the actual notes like to look at and write down. If they click on the video here, it's actually myself or one of my like the team teachers, explaining the notes a second time. So they could go home at night and they could rewatch the video. I've tried to make all of my videos between 5 and 7 minutes. A few of them of my teammates I know have made couple of videos a little bit longer, but they can go in there and just pick the section that they need. If it's a certain type of problem they need, just click on the video, go to that section of the notes, and just watch that part again. If they still are having difficulties with maybe the material and they want more options, some other resources for you to look at, and this is for any math class that they ever go into, is that they can look at Khan Academy. It has a lot of information, videos, explanations, quizzes on there that they can practice. Also, if you just Google the title of our notes, usually thousands of videos will pop up from teachers around the country making the videos about the same topics as what we'll be learning. So they could watch another teacher teaching the same concepts also. But this year, we're trying to put in the majority of our assignments online. So we're trying first to use Delta Math if they have the material that we're teaching, that's what we're going to do. So when they click on their problems that they have to do, they're going to go ahead and they're going to see a problem that looks like this. So at the top here, they can click on Show Solutions, and it's going to walk them through the steps on it. So sometimes students need more than just a visual. So right here is a watch video, like help them video. So if they click on this, an actual guy is going to come on and he's going to explain every single step, why it happens, how they can relate it to other problems. So if they're really struggling, the help video is a really good resource that we have available this year to the students to click on. And other platforms we'll use would be like Edulastic. So when they log on here, they might see something like this uploaded. So then they would just type in their answers here. I understand that there's going to be a learning curve to a lot of these online platforms. So as long as the students are trying right now, that's what my goal is that they're learning how to use the platforms, how to type in them. It will grade it automatically. So I do expect that the students will come the next day and ask me questions of what they didn't understand or how could have something got marked wrong, so that we can discuss that type of things and do a lot of learning here in the classroom also. I want to ensure you that my goal this year is that every student learns. I believe that everyone has the ability to learn mathematics, and it's my goal to make sure that they do. If you have any questions, please don't feel, please reach out to me. You can email me, call me, whatever you need. Message me on Schoology. I know as a parent myself, these are really difficult times for us. And I just want you to know that I'm here to support you and your student in any way that I can, and that together we will make sure they are successful in mathematics. Thank you.